We're back here, and today I'll be taking you guys through. I'll show you how to make like mother's backgrounds, like backgrounds that bust your head and bust your client's head. Well, not literally anyway. But yeah, I'll show you how to make like nice backgrounds in Photoshop to help you up your design game. So let's go into Photoshop.
All right, so here we are. So I did this design back in 2018. Yeah, I think 2018, and I really like it because of the background, the work that went into the background, and obviously the theme design, the thing going on in the center here. So I'm going to take everything out except the background. All right. So yeah, so remember we said I'm teaching you how to blend backgrounds. I'm going to break down two backgrounds and then show you how, show you a couple of tricks on how to, do the same. So this background is basically made up of just two things. This thing I got off Freepik and the gradient map. So I used this gradient map because I didn't like the colors of this original image. So I got my gradient map and then I gave it its own colors. So what I did was, and of course I changed the blending mode. So there are like two major keys to blending backgrounds. One, blending modes, which are these things here. Blending modes, give you a lot of varieties, and I've done a video on blending modes before. So you guys should go check it out. I know I've recorded one. I don't know if you've uploaded it. So yeah, so blending modes and opacity. Yeah. Sometimes you might not want to have the effect full on. So we'll get to that. But what I basically used here was opacity and then the gradient map adjustment layer, which I'm certain the video has been recorded for. So yeah, let's just do what works for you and what works for the design you're going for. So let's move on to this design I did for church too. BTS 2019. So funny enough, the design wasn't used, but then I personally really like the background and everything about the design. One specific background. So the background here is made up of quite a number of things. So I'm going to take everything away now. Alright, so what we have at our base is actually just a wooden texture. A wooden texture. So I basically applied a liquify effect, smart filter. You can get that here. Click filter up here, and then liquify. So you get to do some really nice stuff with that. I think we're going to do a video on Photoshop filters. Even though that may be too long, so we have to break it down. So I also did the radial blow, and that landed me here. So I really like that effect it gave. And then I made this shape, which you can find here, custom shape. Go up here, then you have it. So I made one, and then what I did was I changed the blending mode to overlay. I remember I said there were two major keys. Blending mode, which here is overlay, and then opacity, which I reduced to 40, just so it doesn't look too heavy. And then this really nice vector image I got from Freepik. Here I changed the blending mode to linear dodge, right? And opacity still 100. And then brightness and contrast, just to give it this nice golden effect. And a color fill, just to make it a true background. Let me do some background here. Alright, so note here, same thing, opacity 20%. So just the idea is to play with different textures, different effects, and use different opacities, different blending modes to achieve what you want. So if you remember the creative process, remember first thing is your objectives, then research, and then the work. So objectives will let you know, or objectives is where you figure out, okay, what do I want to do, what do I want to achieve, then go ahead to set and then work on it. So yeah, that's how I arrived at this one. So I'm going to show you some tricks. I already told you the major thing, which is learning mode and master. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open some textures, show you a couple of things you can do. Alright, so let's create a solid color here. Yeah, I think orange is fine. So you can apply textures, and you can get textures from Fabric, like I said. So Control A, Control C, select all and copy, then paste. So remember I said the key was blending modes. So as you can see, I'm just going to be scrolling down until I find something I like. So not too sure about this, but then it doesn't look too bad. So it just gives background a little bit, of texture. Same thing with this. Apply it right. It's in the blending mode. So these ones look harsh. And you can also apply blending modes to. Yeah, I think I like this. You can also apply blending modes to images, or these textures to images rather. So you can probably have a title like Lord or yeah, I'm getting Game of Thrones vibes from this title. Here. Alright. So yeah, something like this. And we have a not bad looking design already. Now you just need some elements and other interesting stuff. So another thing you could do is yeah, wood. I love playing with wooden textures a lot because it has this really nice effect. So let's come back here and delete the textures we applied before, then Ctrl V, just so what I can do is to change. I really like how this is looking over there. I mean, look at this, like, not that, sorry. Yeah, look at this effect. So it's applying that wooden texture to this, to the color in so many different ways. I think I particularly like what this looks like. Oh, I love how it is. So like I said, it depends on what type of design you're going for. Or let's change it to folk tales. Don't ask me where I'm getting these titles from. I'm just different things. Yeah, so I think this will make for an interesting design. So that's the basic idea, and I can start to reduce if I think the wooden texture is too harsh. I can start to reduce it. So remember, play with your blending modes, your opacity. You can get textures and backgrounds from freepik.com and a lot of other places. And just blend and do your thing. So I think that's it.
So I hope that was as explanatory as possible, and I hope you can now make like best backgrounds, have your designs pop better or have your designs slap better. I'm sure you guys have heard that before, that the design is not slappy or the design is not popping. So I hope this helps fix that problem. So I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for tuning in.